Alright, welcome back to the channel. Alright, special video for you all here today. There's been a lot of talk about lidar versus Tesla technology, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and we're going to talk about why this has come up and some of the differences, and just a quick update on Tesla. So let's take this for a little spin. So first things first, the only rule is buckle up. You gotta make sure. And let's go ahead and navigate to Chipotle. Command not understood. Navigate to Chipotle. There we go. Third time's a charm. And the one we want to go to is just 0.2 miles away, just on the other side of this shopping center. But I want to show you how many obstacles are going to come up, and really to see if lidar can do this drive or not. So we can't start with this car in front of us, of course. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start. Just a quick 4-minute drive, and from the park position, let's see what the car does. So we're gonna try to help it out here a little bit by getting outside of the parking spot, and here we go. We'll start it off right there. Alright, so again, it's not perfect, but we're gonna see how well it is. And compared to a lidar technology car, do you think that it can do all of these things? So first of all, we're gonna account for these cars in front of us, making a left here in a busy parking lot with cars in front of us and people walking as well too. So of course it's gonna account for all of that. In the words of Elon, we don't use lasers in our eyes to drive. We don't shoot lasers out of our eyes. Not all of us, maybe some people do, like if you're Superman, you know. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna spin around this bend and try to make a left here. And this is where things get interesting and very difficult, and I really don't think lidar technology would be able to do this. So here comes up an unprotected left turn. Shout out to Chuck Cook, who, because of his very difficult left turn, Tesla people have perfected it. And here we go. We're gonna test this out. For some reason, it's asking me for slight force. Not sure why the vision is not intact. Camera should see me. Maybe it'll come back here in a second. But nonetheless, the car is still driving. It's scanning traffic over here. So tell me, do you think lidar technology can do this? I mean, I know people can do this, but we're gonna watch. I haven't done any takeovers in this drive whatsoever, so yeah. Why bring up something from 2019 and attack Tesla? If you see, all of the new Teslas don't even have sensors on it. We're just using cameras. Alright, so now that I've gotten a chance to go, the Tesla is scanning. Look at this Hummer EV over here. Very cool vehicle. Alright, so we're going to see if we can go now. I would go now, and the car decided to go at the exact same moment. Let's see if it can fully go, and it does. And then we got to switch lanes like 4 times, and FSD. Just replace FUD with FSD. Honestly, all this FUD that's been going on lately is so ridiculous. And look at that, 4 lane switches to get over. I mean, attacking Elon is nuts. Like, he's the man behind this technology. There's so many people that make money off of everything that he does. Americans mainly. This is an American-made car. And he employs lots of American people. Okay, look at this. Very nicely waited for everyone and made a left turn. And here we go. We're pulling up to the Chipotle as requested. and it's even gonna try to find some parking, but I think what I'm gonna do is pick a spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull over right there and see if the car can just go ahead and park itself right here. So yeah, this is pretty amazing technology. Notice how we're picking up the curb, even, you know, the curb in front of me, the cars around me, you know, everything is coming up here, and that's all with cameras. So yeah, I don't know why anyone would want a car that's pushing lidar technology when you just witnessed what you just witnessed, and there was no editing to this video whatsoever. I mean, look, Tesla stock is pretty low right now. Maybe it's a chance to buy some, you know, it's something to consider. The car drives great, you know, you got to really consider everything, you know. There's two sides to the story always, you know, and what he's done with Doge, and you know, it is kind of shaking things up here in the DMV area, that's for sure. But at the same time, I think there's a good reason for all of it, and the people that are getting truly upset are the ones that were, you know, really wasting things. So, you know, I really stand by that. So yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you did. It was again, no editing to it whatsoever. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for more FSD videos in the DMV area. And yeah, we're thinking about a light show coming up soon here in April. So drop a comment below if you might be in attendance to that. We're thinking about maybe the weekend of April 19th in Tyson's Corner. So let me know. And thanks again for watching, and have a great day.